Hi beautiful, welcome to my channel. In today's video I have a huge Ulta beauty haul to show you. I have been shopping at Ulta a lot lately. I have been planning to make a huge Ulta haul video for a while with all of the products I have been trying from there, and it turns out that today when I wanted to add a couple more items to this haul, which I'll show you later, I logged onto Ulta.com and I realized that there is currently a 20% off of anything you purchase online promotion going on. So you know what, we are going to film the video with the things I've already gotten from there today. I'm going to give you my top picks for this 20% off sale, and I'll tell you what I am also going to purchase during this sale. But since this 20% off of everything online discount ends in a couple of days, I cannot wait for the products to be delivered to me. So I figured let's just show you what I have, show you what I am planning to buy as well, and that way you guys know about this promotion. The only requirement is you have to have a membership with Ulta, which I'm sure most of us do. Otherwise you can just go on to Ulta and create an account for yourself. That is it. And this 20% off of everything online sale includes prestige and includes fragrances. So anything you've been wanting to get at Ulta, be it high-end luxury fragrance or affordable products, which is most of what we're going to talk about today, this is the time to grab it. And the discount code is prime time. This will not work in stores, and it will not work buy online pick up in stores because I tried that. It has to be an online order only. The code is prime time, so happy shopping. Anything you've been eyeing, this is the perfect time to grab it. And honestly, this is a much better sale in my opinion than the 21 days of Ulta sale, because yes, you do get bigger discounts during the 21 days of Ulta sale, but it's only off of very specific items, versus with a 20% off you can get anything you want, and in my opinion that is a much better deal. Anyways, I tried to gather all of the things I've been getting from Ulta lately in these bags, but I'm also pulling up my account because there might be more. I'm already seeing on the app products that I don't have with me to show you, so I'll do what I can. First thing I want to show you, which I'm wearing today, are the new bronzer and blushes from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I have the bronzer in the shade light medium and the blush in the shade muted mauve, and it is the combo bronzer blush that I am wearing today. These are honestly awesome. I tried them very recently in an e.l.f. Cosmetics video I filmed. Feel free to reference it if you want to see the application and blendability of these, but honestly I'm here to tell you both of them are amazing. They have a beautiful soft creamy formula. They have a nice amount of glow to them. The colors are nice. They blend very easily and they're very affordable. Plus, I quite like the packaging. I remember when I first saw this packaging, I might have mentioned this in a Will I Buy It video, I thought this was NARS Cosmetics, but it's not. It's e.l.f. and the performance of it is quite nice. So got those, very excited about them, have tried them, have been loving them. The other product I got also from e.l.f. Cosmetics, which I was very excited to try, is this right here. This is the new e.l.f. Set It Bright Correcting and Brightening Setting Powder, and this I have in the shade Fair, which it doesn't look like this is fair, but this is fair. I promise you it's very, very brightening. In fact, I think I might want to go one shade darker as well to have both options, but I really like this one, and it is what I'm wearing under my eyes today. It has a slight tint to it. It's color correcting because of all of the colors you get in here, and it blurs the under eye area perfectly. Plus, again, very affordable because it's e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is a really good, nice product innovation from e.l.f. The initial reason I was very excited to get this one is because it reminded me a lot of my Givenchy powder that got discontinued, and so I really wanted to try it. Feeling wise, they're not the same. This one feels a little bit thinner and it's a bit more matte, I think, that the Givenchy one was, but it's a really good powder regardless, so I'm excited to have it. I also got some hair clips, one of which I am wearing, and I got them in a pair. I'll of course have all of the links for everything down below. This is one of the hair clips I got, and it came in a pair with this one that I'm holding right here. Honestly, I got them to share with Evelyn because they are smaller clips and I can grab all of her hair with these, but she hasn't been loving them, so I've been using them because I really like them, and I really like clips in general. It's just a very quick and easy way to get my hair out of my face, so absolutely loving those as well. I also got Evelyn a new hairbrush, this one here from Tangle Teaser, and this one I got specifically because it's like the softest for like the thinnest of thin hairs. Evelyn just turned 2 years old. I realized it might be a little bit too soft. I got it because she cries when I do her hair, and I was like, if I get a very soft one, then maybe she won't. She doesn't care, she still cries, she's finicky, she's a 2-year-old. If I knew it didn't really matter and that she's going to cry anyways, I think I would have gotten one that's a teeny bit harder, because these Tangle Teaser brushes have for all kinds of hair. These are awesome. I have one of these myself and I love it, which is why I bought one for Evelyn. I got one of these for my mother-in-law ones. I got one for my niece as well. I love these brushes from Tangle Teaser. Again, they have them for all types of hairs, and I highly recommend them. If you don't have one of these, it's the easiest way to detangle the hair and it doesn't pull. It's an amazing brush. The last thing I got for Evelyn was this right here. This is the Not Your Mother's Kids Daily Care 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. It says it is tear-free and dermatologist tested. We've used it a couple of times already and I like it quite a bit, because all I had seen from when she was a baby, which was what we had up until this point, was just like a tear-free shampoo, but her hair is long. We need something with a conditioner in it as well, and I have been really liking this one. It smells like apples and it was really affordable, so I've been liking it. I might or might not have been going a little crazy with the Glamnetic nails at Ulta. I always check Glamnetics at Ulta and they have some really cute new designs that I'm about to show you, but before I do that, I'll show you some repurchases from Glamnetics, which are these two right here. These are the Burgundy Chrome and the Polar Day nails. I've had both of these styles before and I have loved them, so I got them again. I got these here to try this type in this like burgundy box. I haven't tried yet. Now it says that this is meant to be put on with a sticker, which I do not like. My plan is, because I have plenty of nail glue, to just put them on with glue, not the sticker. So I'll let you know how that goes. And then the cutest ones I've gotten lately, which I am very excited to wear, are these two right here. These have like a butterfly effect on some nails, which I am very excited about. And then over here, these are black and they have some clearish nails with black hearts on them. Honestly, very excited for both of these. We'll see once I put them on. This moisturizer right here from e.l.f., let's talk about this one next. If you're looking for a really good, really good affordable moisturizer that is great for sensitive skin, I love this one. I have been using it ever since I tried it, which was like a week and a half ago or so. Oh my god, it's so good because it feels deeply hydrating, but it is not sticky and it is not heavy on the skin, which I absolutely love. It's like a lightweight but rich moisturizer all at the same time. Great for sensitive skin. I have been wearing it underneath my makeup and I love it. I think maybe for winter time I might want to go for something even thicker than this, but for the summertime this has been a lifesaver. I absolutely love it, and if you're looking for an affordable moisturizer, grab this one. Let's keep going. The lipstick I'm wearing, honestly did not expect to like it as much as I like it. It's also from e.l.f. and it is this Pout Cloud Lip Plumping Pen. The color is Bust Mauve. It is fresh and minty. It's supposed to be a little bit plumping, but it doesn't like hurt your lips, and it's got the most perfect mauve color. I love it. Love this one. When I first put it on, I was like in disbelief at how pretty it was, because I expected it to be pretty, but like I love that color. The e.l.f. Suntouchable SPF 30 sunscreen. Do I have other sunscreens that I like better? Yes, I do. However, they are much more expensive. My favorite, for example, that I have been using lately, Innisfree sunscreen. However, for the price, this one was quite amazing. It doesn't leave a white cast on the face and it has SPF 30 and it's not heavy. It sinks right in. So I quite liked it, and I also really like the fact that it says it's sun protection plus a makeup primer, so it's a 2-in-1 type of thing. this was enjoyable. I really liked it and I have been using it since. Done with the first bag, let's keep going. I got this e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Concealer for my video as well, and this one was okay, but it definitely didn't stand out as much as the rest of the e.l.f. products I tried. This right here, however, was amazing. This is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Skin Tint. It has a mineral SPF of 50, and it is like a foundation basically. It's a beautiful skin tint with lots of coverage and a fantastic mineral SPF that doesn't feel heavy or suffocating on the skin. I would tell you it reminds me a lot of the Merit skin tint that I love, because the Merit skin tint that I love is also a mineral SPF skin tint. However, this e.l.f. one has even more coverage than the Merit skin tint. I think the Merit might be slightly more natural looking because of the sheerness of its coverage, but this one has even more coverage than the Merit one, plus it's much more affordable. So if you're comparing the two, they both have their pros and cons. Anyways, got this. I was checking my purchase history, and something that I cannot show you because it's in my car, but I did also purchase from Ulta recently, was this right here, the Disney Minnie Mouse Touchland Special Edition set. We've been really liking this. Was definitely a purchase for Evelyn, and she thinks it's perfume. She goes perfumito every time I try and put it on her hands. It is very cute. But anyways, we have it on the car. We've been using it for on the go, and it's fun. It's just a fun case for your Touchland hand sanitizer with the Minnie Mouse ears, and also this way you can put it on your keys as well, which I did, but Evelyn kept taking it off of it, so now it's just in the car. This e.l.f. highlighter right here I also got from Ulta. The shade I got was Soft Pearl Era, and I got it specifically because it looks a lot like the Rare Beauty highlighters, you know, the ones I'm talking about. However, looks are deceiving with this one because it honestly does not perform. The formula is not similar in my opinion to the Rare Beauty ones. Is it nice and glowy? Yes. I would even go as far as saying it's not texture enhancing. It's a nice glowy highlighter, but it's definitely not as intense as the Rare Beauty one. I only have 2 more products to show you that I already purchased, and then we'll move on to the things that I'm excited to try and plan on purchasing later today with my 20% off, plus some other products I wanted to suggest in case you guys were eyeing them that I've talked about recently, that if you've been eyeing them, this is a nice time to purchase them. So the last 2 products, this right here is the e.l.f. Liquid Velvet eyeshadow, and the shade Beige and Bougie is the perfect color if we are around the same shade in our skin tone. This right here is going to be a fantastic eyeshadow primer because it covers the lids to perfection. It doesn't leave them too sticky, but it's a really nice base to build on your eyeshadow look. So absolutely love this one. And they have other shades as well if your skin is a little deeper than mine, that might work as a nice base for you for eyeshadow. And I'm recommending it that way specifically because I'm not hugely into liquid eyeshadows. I don't tend to wear them on their own, but I like the idea of using that one specifically because the shade is so good as an eyeshadow base. And then lastly, this lash extender mascara, which is the mascara I'm using today, and it definitely really works for my lashes. Plus I have gotten soaking wet with this one, and it's not mascara that runs. Once you put like a little soap on it with water, you can take it off fairly easily, but it's not a mascara that if you get wet or sweat transfers, which is a huge plus in my opinion. So if you haven't checked this one out, definitely do so. Done with my second bag, and that was 2 separate runs to Ulta. One product I wanted to suggest you get if you are interested during this 20% off coupon that is happening is the Morphe eyeshadow trios. I made a video with these recently, and they also have like 6-pan all matte eyeshadow palettes that are nice. However, I feel like those are not as exciting as the trios, and these right here are my top 3 favorite trios. The one I'm wearing today right here, and it is all I'm using on my eyes today, is this one. This one is my top #1 favorite from what they released. This is the 2 Order trio from Morphe. I really like the pink shimmer. I love the brown and the pink matte colors in this one. They create a very natural, girly, flirty look, if you will. So love that one. And then my other two that I really loved were Cut to the Lace, because this duochrome in the middle looks super nice, and I really love a mauve tone for my eyeshadow. And this color here, yes, a blue eyeshadow. Shocking, I know, but this was honestly so freaking pretty. If you are curious about these, I highly recommend you check out the video where I tried them. I created a look with each one of these palettes I just showed you, and they were awesome. The eyeshadow quality was incredible. I think this blue one might actually be my number 2 favorite after the one I'm wearing, because the contrast of the very dark navy blue with that bronzy gold shade on the center of the eyelid was just so good. Chef's kiss. So highly recommend you check those out if you haven't. And now let's move on to the products I have in my cart waiting for me to purchase them. One of them is this right here, the True Blend Sun and Sculpt Bronzing Glow Serum from CoverGirl. Does that not look like something we know of already? It has very similar vibes to the Makeup by Mario bronzer, and I am very, very curious about it. This one is $14.49, and if you get it with 20% off, then it's even cheaper. So very excited to try that one. Next thing on my card is new from Charlotte Tilbury. She's got new eyeshadow sticks, which are only at Ulta, by the way. And once again, I'm personally not the biggest fan of like single shadows, but I think I have to try them because a lot of you love single shadows, and I'm expecting these to have incredible quality. These retail for $32, and I really love that she created very Charlotte-esque shades, if you will, like it's all natural and like rosy and whatever, but very excited that she has a really good amount of matte shades versus shimmer shades as well, and they all look really, really beautiful in the swatches. So I might as well get it with a 20% off rather than pay full price, since this is a pricey item. Also very excited about trying this right here because it looks incredible on the picture. That's the only reason why, truly, besides the fact that it is $7. So this is LA Girl, and they are called the Prism Sticks, and honestly they look super incredibly shiny, so I really want to try those as well. That is in my Ulta bag right now. There's also this one from ColourPop, which also says it is only at Ulta. These are called the Jelly Mush Gel Eyeshadow Sticks, and this I'm more curious about because of what I've seen online. Like the swatches I've seen from people who tried them online look incredible. I don't feel like the pictures really make it that exciting, but I'm curious to try it because of how good people who have tried these have made them look. These are $10, and if they shine like I've seen they shine, they're definitely worth picking up. Now, besides what I've purchased and the products that I'm looking at, Ulta has thousands and thousands of products that they offer. Some other suggestions I might make: the About Face foundation, exclusive to Ulta, incredible product. One of my top foundations in my collection by far, and it's usually affordable, only $20, so to get it with a 20% off for $16, even better. I also really like the About Face concealer, by the way. Ulta has two face products. You can get some of those jelly lip glosses I love. They carry Natasha Denona, they carry Dior, they carry so many luxury and premium brands. Plus, as I said at the beginning of the video, this discount even applies to fragrances. So shop wisely and shop soon, because the 20% off ends very, very soon. If you guys liked today's video, don't forget to please give it a thumbs up before you leave. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you back in the next video. Bye bye.